I'm going to show you how you can download Ideogram AI images at the full quality on PNG in just a few steps. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So in case you don't know, by default you might be downloading your Ideogram images at the 70% quality. So to fix that, I'm going to show you how you can download them at the highest quality as PNG. So I'm going to generate 4 images. I'm going to use a prompt similar to this one, which I really liked, and I copied the magic prompt. So let's wait a few seconds until those 4 images load, and then I'm going to show you 2 different methods you can download the images at the highest quality as PNG. So let's say I really like this image. You need to go to the 3 dots. Then you will see download PNG, which is 100% quality, and then this other option, which is 70% quality. So by default, you are probably downloading them at this quality. So just click here if you have this option, and you will have the image at a very high quality. So if you can only do the 70% quality, you just need to, you can go to upscale, and this will enhance the quality and the pixels of this image. You can set more details or less details, and then by upscaling, this will improve the quality of your images. And then you can also change the format of the image after you download it. You can just download it like this after upscaling, and then change it to PNG with a converter. So you just need to search for PNG converter online, and then you can manually change the format at the end of the file and put PNG. So that's it. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.